Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. Two variables x and y are related such that for each increase of 1 in the value of x, the value of y increases by a factor of 4. When x equals to 0, y equals to 200, which equation represents the relationship? So when I look at the options over here, in each option we have an exponential function. So usually we write the exponential function in the form y equals to a times b to the x to power. So here a is the value of a is the initial value of y. That is, the a is the value of y when x equals to 0. From the given information, when x equals to 0, the value of y is equal to 200. So that 200 is the value of a over here. Then we can write the function as 200 times b to the x to power. So here b is either growth rate or decay rate. It depends on the function. So if the exponential function is it's a growth function, it will be, this one will be a growth rate. If it is a decay function, it will be a decay rate. So when I go over the information, for each increase of 1 in the value of x, the value of y increases. So when I increase the value of x, the value of y also increases. So clearly it's a growth function, exponential growth function. So b is a growth factor, and the growth factor is also given in the question, that is 4. So that's the value of b. So then we can write y equals to 200 times 4 to the x power. So we find this function in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D. Anyways, we can verify our answer. That is, when I increase the value of x by 1, the value has to increase by a factor of 4. So for example, when I take x equals to 0 in this function, what value do you get for y? So then I'm getting y equals to 200 times 4 to the 0th power. So the value of this 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 200 is 200. So when I plug in x equals to 0, I'm getting y equals to 200. Now I increase the value of x by 1 as said in the question. Okay, when I increase the value of x by 1, what will be the value of y? Let me calculate. 200 times 4 to the power of, so I have to plug in x equals to 1. So 4 to the first power is just 4. That is 4 times 200. So when I increase the value of x by 1, so the value of y increases by a factor of 4. So the function what I got over here satisfies the condition given in the question. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.